The sound of splintering plastic and metal echoed through the conference room as Brandon's fist smashed through the center of my prototype. 8 months of late nights, missed weekends with my daughter, and meticulous calibration work scattered across the polished floor in a spray of components. I couldn't believe what I was seeing as tiny, custom-machined parts skittered under chairs and rolled toward the walls. "This is garbage," Brandon announced, his voice cutting through the shocked silence. He turned toward the woman seated at the head of the table, instantly shifting into that smooth Harvard MBA charm I'd watched him deploy countless times. "We'll start over with a real solution. My name is Aaron Rodriguez. I'm 47 years old, and I've been a mechanical engineer for over 20 years. That prototype he just destroyed represented everything I'd been working toward. Medical equipment that could help veterans and disabled folks in areas where power grids fail, equipment that didn't need batteries or complex electronics to save lives. My legs felt weak as I stared at the destruction. That device was my answer to problems I'd watched my own father struggle with after Vietnam left him in a wheelchair. Problems that could be solved with better mechanical design, not fancier computers. The client, Diana Miller from the VA Medical Center, hadn't spoken much during my presentation. Now she studied the scattered remains with a look I couldn't read. Her eyes moved from the broken prototype to Brandon's satisfied smirk, then finally to my face. "Can I have your contact?" she asked quietly, her voice steady. The request caught me off guard. I fumbled in my pocket for my personal business card, the ones I'd printed myself when Brandon had forgotten to order them for me after my promotion to senior engineer. My fingers trembled slightly as I handed it to her. Brandon's smile faltered. "Diana, I assure you, our team will develop something much more aligned with industry standards. Aaron's approach is..." He hesitated, searching for the right dismissive term, experimental. "Impractical for real-world application." Diana pocketed my card without acknowledging his comment. "Thank you for your time today. I'll be in touch about next steps." As the meeting dispersed, I knelt on the floor, gathering the salvageable pieces of my work. Each component felt heavy in my hand. The titanium joint connectors I'd designed to withstand desert conditions. The pressure-adaptive hinges that required no electrical components. The weight-distributing frame that could be repaired with basic tools available anywhere in the world. "Leave it," Brandon said, standing over me once Diana had left. "Maintenance will clean up." I looked up at him. "These are custom parts. Parts for a project that's officially terminated," he replied, checking his expensive watch. The design review committee agreed with my assessment. "We're moving forward with the IoT-enabled framework." It suddenly clicked. "You never submitted my full documentation to the committee."